Let us find the LCM using multiples method. This method is simple but slow for medium and large numbers. Please follow the below steps so that you do not make any mistakes. Find the LCM of 4 and 6 using multiples method. Step 1. Find the multiples of each given integer. How do you find the multiples of a given number? It is very simple. Multiply the given number by the natural numbers beginning with 1. So, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, and so on. Similarly, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and so on. Step 2. Identify the common multiples among the given integers. Observe carefully. Here, the common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, 36, and so on. Got it? Step 3. Take the least among the common multiples. Here, the least common multiple is 12. Therefore, the LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. This means that 12 is the least positive integer that is divisible by both 4 and 6 exactly without leaving any reminder. Got it? Thank you for watching. For depth understanding of LCM, please subscribe to my channel and watch the complete playlist.